Hello, I'm Masaru. This time, I would like to introduce you to Japanese TONJIRU. TONJIRU is a Japanese dish in which pork and vegetables are stewed and seasoned with miso. Simply put, it is like miso soup with pork. Since it has more volume than miso soup, it can be eaten as a main dish or side dish, and is one of the most popular dishes among Japanese people. Today, I will introduce tips for making excellent TONJIRU, so please watch the video until the end. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Details on ingredients and quantities are given in the summary section. Okay, so let's get started with the cooking. First, prepare the ingredients. Peel the daikon radish and cut it into quarter rounds. Slice the carrots as well and cut them into quarter rounds. Carrots take longer to cook than daikon radish, so cut them thinly. Carrots are not peeled because the skin is also rich in nutrients, but if you are concerned about it, please peel it. Cut the green onion diagonally. Cut the green part into round slices. Cut the shimeji mushrooms. Maitake mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms, or any other mushrooms of your choice can be used. Mushrooms make a very good soup stock, so be sure to include them. Cut the konnyaku with a spoon. Konnyaku is jelly made from konnyaku yam roots. It is an underground plant that grows mainly in Asia. Konnyaku has lots of fiber, which helps to clear the bowels. It has no taste, but it is characterized by a slight odor. This method coarsens the cross-section of the konnyaku and makes it easier for the flavors to soak in. Remove the smell of konnyaku. You can remove the smell by rinsing the konnyaku for about 30 seconds in warm water from the tap. Next, process the burdock root. Burdock is a root that is used in Japanese food. It's high in fiber. Roll up aluminum foil and scrub the skin of the burdock root to remove any dirt. Cut off the ends of the burdocks and cut diagonally into pieces about 5 mm wide. I don't think burdock is a vegetable that is often seen in Europe or America, but if you have it, it's a must-have ingredient. Of course, you don't have to include it if you don't have it. Cut the pork belly into bite-sized pieces and sprinkle with salt and pepper. Now it is time to fry the ingredients. Prepare a large pan and add sesame oil. When the pan is warm, stir-fry the burdock root. Stir-frying the burdock first makes the burdock more fragrant. When the burdocks are browned, add pork belly. You can also use pork loins, but pork belly is recommended because it has a lot of fat, so the flavor will really penetrate the vegetables. When the pork is cooked, add the carrots and daikon radish. Next, add mushrooms and konnyaku. Stir-fry the ingredients lightly to coat them with oil. Stir-frying the vegetables after stir-frying the meat allows the vegetables to soak up the oil from the meat and become very flavorful. Once all the ingredients are coated with oil, add water and bring to a boil. Then add sake, mirin, soy sauce, and granulated bonito stock. Add miso. Be sure to dissolve the miso thoroughly. Once the mixture comes to a boil over high heat, reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer thoroughly for 20 minutes. "20 minutes has passed. There may be some lye, but do not dare to remove it because the lye is also infused with flavorful ingredients. Add the green onions. It is better to add the green onion at the end to preserve their texture. Grate the garlic and ginger and add them. If garlic and ginger are added first, their aroma will fade, so it is better to add them last. Simmer over low heat for about 3 minutes. Now let's eat.